A winter storm has blanketed the Mid-Ohio Valley, bringing snow, ice, and freezing rain to the region. While many are staying at home, downtown Parkersburg's business owners say they're staying strong despite the challenges. Our Allison Powers has more on how the winter weather is impacting some local businesses in our community.
After a winter storm hit the Mid-Ohio Valley, downtown Parkersburg businesses have felt the impact. At the Blennerhassett Hotel and Spa, staying open during severe winter weather is not an option. Lee Rector, the co-owner of the hotel, says the 84-room historic hotel remains open 24/7, and management has gotten creative in keeping business afloat.
We've been very blessed in the fact that we have had travelers, leisure and business, that have come during this inclement weather to spend the night with the legend. You don't have to cook, you don't have to shovel snow, and you don't have to go out in the cold.
Just down the street at Zach Huffman's Prime Steakhouse, the new restaurant is experiencing unexpected success despite the storm. Huffman says since opening months ago, the reservation model has proven power during the winter slowdown.
We had over 150 phone calls on Saturday asking, are people canceling their reservations? If so, get us in. So it's been wild. I never thought people would be driving through that to come down to get steak, but it's really good steak.
Both the local business owners highlighted the importance of community support during the harsh winter months. Rector says planning and preparation are key to survival during the winter months.
You just can't wait till you see the snow and then wonder what you're going to do. You have to be proactive rather than reactive.
While winter storms present challenges for businesses in downtown Parkersburg, community support is helping the local establishments beat the storm. For now, downtown Parkersburg remains open and ready to serve. In Parkersburg, this is Allison Powers with WTAP News.